Talofa lava, my name is Tailani Salanoa Chung, and this is our success story. My dad, he worked 2 years on this recipe that had many different benefits for your skin. Mailelani means from heaven. Without divine inspiration, we wouldn't be here today.
In November 2019, Kokoana was born. I saw potential. I saw what it could do to our food business, farmers and growers in Samoa.
I started my business about 16 years ago, and I sell organic vanilla products, vanilla syrup and vanilla extract.
In order to protect ourselves and our brand was to register with the Branding Bureau here at MCIL.
Register your IP rights with MCIL.
Your brand tells your story. Your story belongs to you. Think about your branding and register it.